So you enjoy art and the creative process? Well, of course, there's nothing more stimulating than watching blank canvas, paper, or clay or string turn into something visually mesmerizing. My name is Iona and I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. I am a self-taught artist, primarily in acrylic on canvas, but in my years as an artist, I've also picked up experience in various mediums, murals, crafts, as well as giving art classes. I am also a mother of a soon-to-be 3-year-old, and I'm in a full-time career. Yes. Mind blown. Wrap yourself around that one for a bit. When you subscribe, I'll be sure to let you know how I get the time for all of this, as well as all of that. Now, whether you're a brand new artist or an already established one, I have got something for everybody. From all of tutorials and how-tos and DIYs, to tips and advice and hacks on how I have overcome certain obstacles in my art career. We will be also comparing products as well as mediums, and you can watch me try out mediums that are new to me. We will also be doing multiple mediums, so you definitely want to subscribe. Now, I know life gets very busy, so you would like to hit that notification bell so that you can get reminded when there are new videos popping up. And please, don't forget to leave a comment so that I know whether these videos are helpful, and if there is something you would like me to try, I'll be sure to leave it in my content. So join me on my art journey every single Tuesday while adding to your own creativity. Subscribe now. Just do it anyway, and I will see you Tuesday.